Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Zoom meeting step by step clearly. Open the Zoom application on your device. Log into your account with your credentials. Start a new meeting or join an existing one. Locate the toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window. Look for the record button. Click on the record button to begin recording the meeting. If prompted, choose whether to record on your computer or in the cloud. Use the Participants button if you need to invite more people to the meeting. Continue with your meeting while the recording captures the audio and video. Monitor the recording indicator to ensure that the meeting is being recorded. When you're ready to stop recording, click the Stop Recording button. Alternatively, you can let the meeting end, and the recording will stop automatically. After the meeting concludes, Zoom will process the recording. Access the recording files in the location specified in your settings. For cloud recordings, log into your Zoom account online to find your recordings. Review the recording to ensure everything recorded correctly. Share the recording link with participants if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.